The Gigafactory, a $5 billion Tesla Motors manufacturing machine, commenced manufacture of the electric car batteries in 2017. The firm released the Tesla Gen 3 vehicle the same year. By manufacturing batteries for Tesla's automobile in-house, the company has been able to dramatically cut the cost of its vehicles as the most expensive portion of the car, which is the battery pack itself. Before we continue, kindly hit the notification button to be notified when next I post new videos. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The Gigafactory is a massive cooperative venture between Tesla and Panasonic that is currently the world's single largest producer of batteries. Join us for an exclusive look inside. Tesla's global car deliveries in 2019 ranged between 367 and 368,000 units, making the company the world's biggest manufacturer of plug-in electric automobiles. In the fourth quarter of 2019, Tesla's Model 3 became the world's best-selling all-electric vehicle model. Model 3 vehicle deliveries accounted for more than 80% of Tesla's vehicle deliveries, duplicating the Model S and Model X goods, which were originally geared for clients in the high-end sector of the market. With the launching of the Model 3, Tesla is now targeting broader customer segments. Tesla is planning to add the Roadster, the Model Y, and the much-anticipated Cybertruck to its current model selection, although the United States remains the company's most important target market. With such an expanding market and overstretched demand, a need for more efficient and faster production had to be fronted in 2015 when Elon Musk, the founder and chief executive of Tesla, mooted the idea of increasing the production and sales of his automobile company. Then the Tesla Model 3 had witnessed. The Model S and Model X won the hearts, minds, and wallets of a large number of people, but it also posed a dilemma because the firm only sold roughly 50,000 automobiles. The previous year, to be more successful, the firm needed greatly to boost its output with significantly lowering the costs, which is where the Gigafactory, a collaborative venture between Tesla and Panasonic, came in. The Gigafactory is a $5 billion project that aims to build the world's most advanced battery manufacturing plant. The Gigafactory is physically larger than any other cell packaging plant on the planet and producing more batteries than the entire industry did in 2013. The factory covers 5 million square feet of the desert floor just outside of Reno, Nevada, and the roof is covered in solar panels, which generate enough electricity to power the entire thing. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy through increasingly affordable electric vehicles and energy products to ramp up production to 500,000 cars per year. Tesla alone will require today's entire global supply of lithium-ion batteries. Tesla's Gigafactory was born out of necessity, and it will supply enough batteries to support Tesla's projected vehicle demand. Today, the Gigafactory produces the Model 3 electric motors and battery packs, as well as Tesla's energy storage products Powerwall and Powerpack. Tesla broke ground on the Gigafactory outside of Sparks, Nevada in June 2014. The name Gigafactory comes from the word giga, a unit of measurement that represents billions of dollars. The Gigafactory is being built in phases so that Tesla can begin manufacturing immediately inside the finished sections and continue to expand thereafter. Already, the current structure has a footprint of more than 1.9 million square feet and houses approximately 5.3 million square feet of operational space across several floors. Once completed, Tesla expects the Gigafactory to be the world's largest building. Battery production at Gigafactory 1 reached an annualized rate of roughly 20 GWh, making it the world's highest volume battery plant. Tesla currently produces more batteries in terms of kWh than all other car manufacturers combined. With the Gigafactory ramping up production, Tesla's battery cell costs will fall dramatically as a result of economies of scale. By lowering the cost of batteries, Tesla can make products available to an increasing number of people through manufacturing innovation, waste reduction, and the simple optimization of locating most manufacturing processes under one roof, allowing us to have the great possible impact of transitioning the world to sustainable energy. If you look at where batteries are made, you'll notice that almost all of them are made in Asia. Tesla's chief technological officer and co-founder, J.B. Straubel, told the Wall Street Journal in 2016 whether or not the much publicized Gigafactory is successful, one of the major opportunities we have here is to close the logistics loop from where cells and materials are made and move it closer to where our vehicles are made. Elon Musk's grand vision of a massive battery plant may turn out to be one of the most ambitious manufacturing efforts in American business history, according to research analyst Cosmon Laszlo. For the energy storage market, this is probably the most exciting thing that has ever happened. He says no one has ever considered throwing this much money at an idea of mass-producing batteries. Indeed, no one has ever thrown this much money at a battery factory. He stated that the upstart car manufacturer will need to sell 500,000 battery electric cars each year by 2020. According to industry analysts, that translates to approximately 400,000 sales of Tesla's upcoming cars per year, with approximately 50,000 Model S sales and 50,000 Model XL sales annually. A 400,000 a year car does not exist in today's US market. According to Sam Jaffe, principal research analyst of Navient Research, even though it's extremely ambitious for a global car company to expect to sell 400,000 of one model, most industry analysts believe that the Gigafactory concept is a potentially viable one. Even though the doubt that the company will be able to realize its vision of 500,000 sales per year, the idea behind the plant is simple. Instead of mining lithium in Chile, sending it to China for processing, and transporting it to multiple other locations to build parts of the plant. Tesla's goal is to produce approximately 35 GWh of battery cells per year, which is approximately 7 times more than Nissan produces for its Leaf electronic car in Tennessee and 35 more than LG Chem produces in its Michigan-based factory. It would also produce approximately 15 GWh worth of finished packs by purchasing cells from other suppliers. Elon Musk has described the Gigafactory as a machine that builds machines. It's a one-size-fits-all factory that ideally could make anything Tesla sells: batteries, solar panels, home storage solutions, and of course electric cars, all under one roof. Raw materials would come in one end and finished products would come out the other. The size that Musk aimed for is truly massive as well. When finished, the Gigafactory will be the largest building in the world by footprint and size. The company told the state of Nevada that the Gigafactory would eventually create 6,500 on-site jobs and provide a $100 billion boost to the state's economy over the next 2 decades, even though almost everything at the Gigafactory happens in the open. The Panasonic leases section, where raw materials for batteries are refined and transformed into the cells that power cars and storage products, is more closely guarded, with no photos or videos permitted. It's one of the most automated sections of the plant, and it's safe to assume that only a few human workers keep an eye on the battery lines through small plexiglass windows. Tesla representatives praised the company's relationship with Panasonic, citing tight integration with the battery manufacturer as the reason for the company's cost advantage in time. Musk believes that the Gigafactory will employ close to 10,000 people, which will be a huge boost to the local economy and the might of American manufacturing in general. It's also a huge bet. Some might even say a gamble, which is why it's being built in the Nevada desert. So there you have it, inside the $5 billion Tesla Gigafactory. Do you think Tesla will remain on top of the EV market? That's all for today, folks. Thank you for spending some time with us. And if you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to get access to more interesting videos from us. And share your thoughts in the comment section. See you later. Thanks for watching.